to you.
You take off the wrapper.
Yay!
Yay!
Go ahead, Lana.
All yours.
Tear it up, honey. Yep. Any way you want, just don't throw it on the floor. Yeah, I like to get a good table flavoring first. Oh, the tester.
Yeah. Sit down. Watch
Give it a
too.
go.
Good. Good girl. Mm-hmm. It's a pretty cupcake.
She's just gonna eat the frosting.
But, you know,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
that
Oh, what's this?
patisserie, so it's...
Here.
There you go.
Oh.
You have a big bite of that.
Ooh.
That's Daddy's
Yep.
favorite part. Yeah, let's get that out of the way.
That's the cardboard.
Yeah,
No.
it's getting in
just
the way of
a-
my frosting. There you go. Nummy.
Wow. That's good.
That was a big bite. I
Kind of
need a
soft
glass
stuff.
of milk.
Oh yeah.
That's a whole bunch.
Better the second time around.
Falls apart.
Why is everyone staring at me?
How can you eat this? I don't know.
It's like you're giving me a complex.
Not enough to make me stop
Okay,
eating.
fine. I'll look at Auntie Cara for a while. Okay, back to Lana.
Ooh.
Thank you. Okay. Everybody goes, wow.
Fireworks.
Yay.
Yay!
Are you gonna share, Lana? Can we all have some? No? No?
Hi.
Oh my goodness. Oh
Here it goes.
my goodness.
It's mostly air on the Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
Too much.
gotta work on it.
It's all right. Good girl.
Yeah.
You're a good girl.
Oh my goodness.
Fits through my fingers so nicely.
Mm-hmm.
Those fingers.
So you say we're giving her a bath anyway. Can I tickle her head?
Say no, Auntie Cara. Maybe those fingers will end up in my mouth.
Well, you can move this. It's in your
No.
way.
We were playing
There you
peekaboo
go.
around it. That's right.
That rose is staying pretty good.
I know.
Ah,
Probably trim it again.
Oh,
Oh, good.
there's a good bite.
yeah.
Oh, thank you, Auntie Cara.
Yeah.
Glass of milk?
I hear you just-
Might not be a bad idea, Grandpa. No, she's just gonna play with.
Watching her makes me want to have a glass.
I know, right?
Don't drop it on the floor. Don't do that.
Don't get to her.
Good.
Gonna share with Auntie Cara.
That's what Andy Cara wants.
Grandpa. Grandma's there.
Good girl. Oh, yum. Yum, yummy.
Oh, go ahead, Auntie Cara.
Thank you. Oh, change your mind.
Okay. Psych.
Thank you. Perfect. Pass it around, Baker.
There's some. Get it. Get it. Oh, squished it around.
Ow. Nope.
Here.
Thank you. She can't get it off her thumb. Thank you. Okay. Nope, that's enough. Let's eat that. There. Nope, that's for you. No, it's for you. There you go. Mm.